Hello guys, so we are back. Thank you guys for tuning in. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, if you're a returning subscriber, hello lovey, hello. And if you're the notification girl, what's good, what's going? Yeah, so today is actually a DIY day. I'm so excited. We're going to be recreating some of the finest gorgeous piece of artwork that is there in the internet right now. So yeah, this is actually the piece of work that we're going to be creating today. It is so beautiful, it's so minimalistic, it's just absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, let's just get into it. So because I'm going for the boho look, I'm going for this wooden frame from Mr. Price. Is a 30 by 40 centimeter frame. It is really inexpensive. They are quite cheap and nice. So yeah, right here I'm just opening it from the package that it came in with. And yeah guys, I noticed that it came broken. As you could see, I just unwrapped it and already the other part of the frame was broken in the corner. I think it was covered by that corner protecting capes, so I couldn't see from the store. Just make sure when you buy, get them to open it for you to just make sure that it is okay. Next up, I am opening my measuring tape, which I bought from BMS. It was quite cheap. I think it was like, I don't know, 10 plus something. I'll just put everything in the description. Yeah, this is the measuring tape I'm using to measure all the corners of the frame so that I can be able to mark actually and see what gap am I gonna leave on the frame. At this point, I was considering reducing the frame paper, this white paper that came up with the frame. But then I figured out, let me see if it actually fits well with my artwork, and it did, you guys. So I was quite satisfied with it, and I figured I might as well leave it this way. It wasn't bad. Yeah, I'm not too mad at it, so yeah, I'm going to leave it just to avoid doing way too much work. So I just want to get the paint. It comes in a pack of 6 tempera paint from Crazy Stores. And yeah guys, it's an acrylic paint, and all I need is the black paint here so that I can be able to, watch out right there. You've got to be careful when you open this paint because you don't want it to splash everywhere like mine actually kind of did. And yeah, I was a bit disappointed in myself. I tried wiping it off, as you can see here, but yeah, it's paint, guys, so it did leave a stain. Yeah, you just gotta improvise. Yeah, I really did try to wipe it off, but well, I decided to just dab it in, and yeah, it's quite not perfect like anything else when you start. So I just am going in now with the brush to paint these, to trace actually. This picture, I got it off Pinterest. There's a lot of modern line art pictures, and this is one of the trending pictures that I noticed from Pinterest. And yeah, because I wanted it to be bold, from the printing it's not that bold, so I went in with my paint to make that line art quite visible and more elegant. Guys, I must say this paintbrush was giving me more tough times. As you could see, I want to get my makeup brush now and get rid of the paintbrush, and I'm using my makeup brush because it gives more finer soft tones, and it's easy to make the line art without really being way too slow. Yeah, so if you want to be quite quicker, just use your paintbrush, your makeup brush. And yeah, as you can see, it's coming out right, and I'm not staining anything at this point. Yeah, I had to improvise over that stain right there, so I just made an extra line on the line art. It still looks beautiful. So here now I am opening up the back of the frame while I let my line art paint dry up. And as you can see, I'm using the pen to just make sure that it opens nicely and just slide it out. Yeah, just make sure you remove that photo frame picture, or rather writing that they have in the frame, and dust out your glass, because you don't want any spots from the outside or any sand that could have been in your thing. You want it clean and nice. Go ahead and put that white frame cutout paper, and then put out your line art and close down the frame. Make sure that you really pinch out, or rather upright, those frame supporters and insert the back of your frame. And here I'm using the ruler to just press it down. It can quite hurt your fingers, you know, so I'm using that ruler to press it down firmly so that it never comes out. So I repeated this very same process for another line art painting that I did off camera, just to save time. And yeah, this is it. You can see the other piece of work. I was done and I needed some screw-ins. These can be found at a local store like Builder's World. They are really inexpensive, so all I'm doing is measuring where I want to place them. And what's really nice about this frame is that it's so light, it's soft of a cork, so I really didn't need to drill. I just place them at an appropriate place and screw them in just by applying the method of twist and push down method. And now it's time to attach the macrame cord. Make sure that you really tie it very well, and just tie it really securely, because if it's not, then it's gonna fall off the wall and the glass will break, and we don't want that. Before tying to the other end, make sure that the string can really bend upwards but not over the frame. So the next part requires a high level of accuracy, hence why there's that lever on the bed. I just marked the wall and leveled it up nicely prior to the drilling. Now it's time to install the wall plugs. Make sure you remove the screw. And yeah, to start the screw and install that wall plug right in there. It fits perfectly. For it to fit perfectly, you need to make sure that your drill bit is the same size as your screws. Yeah. You have to be careful, guys, with the hammer, okay? Now you are using this hammer to secure down the screws inside the plug and the drill hole before you could, yeah, you see that? It's still up. Just make sure that you really hammer it down almost closer to the wall, just to make sure that your wall art wouldn't fall off easily. Make sure to pull up your macrame cord before you put it onto the wall, and try to position the frame appropriately and make it more balanced. Yeah, there we go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you have any questions, just put them down on the comment section. And yeah, guys, that is it. I am so happy with this look. It's really achieved quite well. It suits my whole wall. It's just completing my whole setup. Thank you.